Hi guys, this is Sam from Unbox Motion. Today I'm gonna unbox for you guys iPad gold color 6th generation 32 GB, and actually I have two of these. I have space gray, and I have gold color. I bought those two of these for my niece and nephew. It's a Christmas gift for them, and I also got a screen protector and a screen tempered glass with it, as I mentioned it before. I reviewed it before. You're gonna see it on the video somewhere right here on my channel. So I'm gonna just gonna unbox one because it's similar, same color. Not same color. Functionality, everything's gonna be same. The content's gonna be the same. So I'm just gonna unbox one, and then if I have time, I will do it one more. I'll do the space gray. I kind of like this one, so I have a. Let's see. Basically anything. Shower works. Do it the old way. Do it like Casey Neistat. He tears everything when he when he's doing the mailbox time. Or is it like mail time? Yeah, I'm not mailbox. I'm saying what I'm talking about. It's like mail time. So this is the package, and you see the shadow. I'm doing this on that's interesting. I'm doing this on iPhone. Unboxing. So I'm new to this, so by the time I get my channel grow up, I will buy different equipment. But now, let's get to the iBox. It's a gold color, 32 GB. It comes with a cable charger, plug, and Apple goodie stuff. And the good things about this version of iPad, it's compatible with Apple Pencil, so you can draw anything. Basically, you can use it like as an Apple. iPad Apple Pro, but it's the performance wise, it's gonna not be as good as Apple Pro. iPad Pro, but still that you have the functionality used as a pencil. So let's get that unwrapping. Ooh, sounds really good. You get that joy whenever you unwrap anything. This quality is great, and the weight is not bad too. I like it. It's really good quality. Let's turn it on. The power button is right here. They have the volume button. The good things, they haven't removed the jack, headphone jack. I really like this color. For some reason, I like the color, that face, especially like not the gold color. The in this corner white. It's much. It looks really nice. So whenever you take it outside, sometimes black corners attract more dust, so you can see a lot of like fingerprints and everything. But with the white colors, you're safe. So pretty standard. Okay. Wait, it's not going. I'm doing okay. English, United States. Quick start. Set up manually. Choose. Okay. Well, it says choose network, and now it wants me to type the password and everything. This is a pretty standard. Okay, guys. So basically, I type the password and I set up everything. Okay. Always allow. Okay. So once you put the password, it's gonna ask you about Siri, and then after that, it will ask you about the different setups. So basically, once you're done, you're gonna come up to this screen, and that's pretty much it. Not difficult.